Dive deep, let's explore ocean treasures and learn math. Join our deep sea crew. Subscribe for more ocean fun. Today we are learning Under the Sea Math Adventure, Water Wave Counting Ocean Treasures. Finley the fish found one bright apple floating by. Suddenly, 5 more apples drifted down from the coral reef. How many juicy apples does Finley have in total? Wow, 6 apples. You are an ocean math champion. Bella found one yummy pizza slice on the sandy floor. 3 more pizza slices floated over from the shipwreck. How many pizza slices are there altogether? Amazing, 4 pizza slices, you're super fast. Krabby has 1 sparkly heart in his claws. His friends bring him 4 more shiny hearts. How many hearts does Krabby have now? Splendid, 5 hearts, you're doing great. Sally is playing with 4 colorful kites in the current. 3 more kites join the fun in the water. How many kites are flying in the sea? Yes, 7 kites, you're a math genius. Otto has 5 toy cars parked near his den. He finds 5 more toy cars hidden in the kelp. How many toy cars does Otto have now? Fantastic, 10 cars, keep up the great work. Otto has 3 red toy cars near the rocks. He discovers 7 more toy cars under the sand. How many toy cars are there in total? Incredible, 10 cars, you're a counting pro. Finley spotted 3 strawberries near the sea cave. He found 1 more strawberry floating nearby. How many strawberries does Finley have? Yay, 4 strawberries, you are so smart. Bella sees 2 sweet donuts in the bubbles. 2 more donuts float in from the blue sea. How many donuts are there now? Hooray, 4 donuts, you're doing amazing. Krabby has 1 toy truck on the beach floor. He finds 1 more toy truck buried in the sand. How many toy trucks does Krabby have? Yes, 2 trucks, you're a math superstar. Krabby has 4 toy trucks in his collection. He finds 6 more toy trucks near the reef. How many toy trucks does he have now? Woohoo, 10 trucks, you're unstoppable. Sally sees 6 toy lions playing in the sea. 3 more toy lions join the ocean party. How many toy lions are there in total? Brilliant, 9 lions, you're so clever. Otto has 5 toy trains riding the currents. 1 more toy train joins the fun. How many toy trains are there now? Great, 6 trains, you're a counting wizard. Finley found 1 beautiful flower in the water. He found 1 more flower growing on the reef. How many flowers does Finley have? Yay, 2 flowers, you're doing fantastic. Bella sees 3 mushrooms on the seafloor. 1 more mushroom floats down to join them. How many mushrooms are there in all? Perfect, 4 mushrooms, you're really sharp. Krabby has 1 toy cat near his home. He finds 3 more toy cats hiding in the sand. How many toy cats does Krabby have now? Fantastic, 4 cats, you're a math hero. Sally has 7 toy lions by the coral. 3 more toy lions swim into view. How many toy lions are there altogether? Amazing! 10 lions, you're so talented. Otto has 4 toy cars in the deep blue. 3 more toy cars float down to him. How many toy cars are there now? Woohoo! 7 cars, you're amazing at math. Finley finds 1 toy frog in the bubbles. He finds 2 more toy frogs near the cave. How many toy frogs does Finley have? Yes, 3 frogs, you're a counting star. Bella sees 1 bunch of grapes under the sea. 4 more bunches of grapes float by. How many bunches of grapes are there? Yay, 5 grapes, you're doing so well. Krabby sees 6 butterflies near the surface. 1 more butterfly joins the group. How many butterflies are there now? Brilliant, 7 butterflies, you're a math pro. Sally has 1 toy drum to play. She finds 1 more toy drum in the sand. How many toy drums does Sally have? Perfect, 2 drums, you're a natural. Otto has 1 yummy taco for his snack. 2 more tacos float down to him. How many tacos does Otto have now? Delicious, 3 tacos, you're so clever. Finley has 4 toy turtles in his collection. 2 more toy turtles swim over to play. How many toy turtles are there total? Amazing, 6 turtles, you're a math whiz. Bella found 1 pineapple under the reef. 8 more pineapples float down from above. How many pineapples are there now? Wow, 9 pineapples, you're incredible. Krabby has 1 red apple for a treat. He finds 1 more apple in the ocean sand. How many apples does Krabby have now? Hooray, 2 apples, you're a math genius. You're an ocean math star, see you next time.